Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Lemon candies. This is a very simple recipe with just 2 ingredients. You can preserve these lemon candies for about a month's time. Hope you all are super excited. So why to wait? Let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. Add half cup of sugar to a saucepan. Then add juice of 3 lemon to it. The quantity of the juice will vary based on the size of the lemon. So go with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Keep mixing the 2 ingredients until the sugar gets completely dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, it will start to bubble up. Now simmer the flame and keep mixing continuously. It will take around 10 minutes to change its color, so be patient and continue mixing. Now it has changed its color and has caramelized, so let's check if it's in perfect consistency. In a bowl of water, pour in a drop. It should crystallize immediately. Now we have the perfect consistency, so we are all good. So off the flame and let's start making the candies. Place a butter paper on top of a board and start pouring into small candies using a spoon. Make the candies immediately after you have the perfect consistency, else it may thicken up. You can alter the size of the candies based on your preference. Allow them to cool completely and form the candy crystals. Now our candies are ready, so remove them from the butter paper and serve them to your kids. I'm sure they're going to love it. Store them in an airtight container and you can enjoy these lemon candies for a month's time. So let's check out how to make caramel rock candies. This is a very yummy candy that you can easily make at home. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a pan, add half cup of sugar. Keep the flame in high throughout the process. Let the sugar melt. Now the sugar has started to melt, so start stirring. Now the sugar has caramelized, so add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. The sugar will form lumps, no issues, it will melt again. Now add half cup of whipped cream and mix it well. Now the lumps have started to melt. Now it's nice and lump free, so go ahead and add another half cup of sugar and mix it well. Then add a teaspoon of honey and mix it well. Now add a pinch of salt and mix well. Now let's check for the consistency. Drop in few drops of a mixture in a bowl of water. It should crystallize immediately. Now we have the correct consistency. So off the flame and add 3 teaspoons of unsalted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a nice mix. Keep ready a tray lined with butter paper. Transfer the content to the tray. Tap it twice to release the air bubbles. Let this rest for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours now, so remove from the tray and break them into rock candies. Wrap it using a butter paper and store it in an airtight container, and you can enjoy for a month's time. Very easy and delicious recipe. Your kids will love it for sure. We're not using any preservatives, so definitely a must-try recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.